Hello, fellow members of the Beacons Working Group. My name is Olivia Magaletta, and I'm here today on behalf of the Board of Directors to update you on the educational workshops that the Beacons Working Group has provided. As hopefully you are familiar with, the Beacons Working Group aims to increase awareness of non-native and invasive mosquito species in the southern United States. We also strive to continue communication about these species and provide trainings to educate about the persisting issues and strategies being used to mitigate the impact from these invasive mosquito species. To accomplish our goal of increasing awareness, our group has provided 9 workshops from 2021 to 2024 with both in-person and virtual options. During our workshops, we covered a variety of topics, but the 4 that I'd like to highlight today are taxonomy, bionomics, QGIS, and IPM. Our goal is to measure how effective our workshops were at increasing knowledge and awareness about non-native and invasive mosquito species, and to see if our participants exhibited a behavioral change related to the surveillance and control of non-native and invasive species. Today, I'm excited to share with you our preliminary results. We made a survey using Qualtrics software and contacted 199 participants and received 22 responses, indicating an 11% response rate. The majority of our questions were based on a 1 to 5 scale. To quantify our assessment, we analyzed questions from the survey to see if there was a significant correlation. In this question, we wanted to observe if there was a correlation in participants improving their understanding of QGIS and using QGIS in the workplace. And I'm happy to report that there was a strong positive correlation, indicating that participants improved their understanding of QGIS in the workshop, were also more likely to use QGIS after attending the workshop. In this question, we wanted to observe if there was a correlation in participants that reported learning something new in the IPM lecture and incorporating new approaches in their institution. I'm excited to report that there was a strong positive correlation, indicating that participants that reported learning something new in the IPM lecture were more likely to incorporate new approaches when returning to their home institution. Lastly, we wanted to see if our participants used the taxonomic knowledge in the workshop and if they felt as though the workshop encouraged active participation. Unfortunately here, there was no significant correlation between participants actively engaging in the material and an increased usage of the taxonomic knowledge gained from the workshop. One open-ended question was asked at the end of the survey. The tone of the comments were positive and highlighted some of our group's strengths and where we have room for improvement. In conclusion, we can say with confidence that our participants are not only learning about non-native and invasive mosquito species, but also applying the knowledge that they learned. With your support, we were able to make a positive impact in improving the capacity for non-native and invasive mosquito species surveillance and control in our region.